Capturing breathtaking aerial shots has never been easier thanks to the latest drones designed specifically for photography. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast looking to explore new perspectives, the right drone can elevate your creativity with high-resolution cameras, stable flight, and intelligent shooting modes. Here's a video to some of the best drones for photography that combine performance, ease of use, and stunning image quality. Number 1. Holy Stone HS360S GPS Drone. HS360S. Drone with camera for adults featuring the Holy Stone latest design. Weighs less than 250 g. This GPS drone offers the perfect solution for hassle-free flying in the States without FAA or remote ID registration. Perfect for capturing stunning footage on the go. Holy Stone drones with camera for adults 4K equipped with 1/3 foot CMOS Galaxy Core sensor and 4K 85 degrees wide-angle camera adjusted within 90 degrees by remote control or the app. Capture stunning 3840x 2160p photos and 4K videos. Unleash your creativity from a whole new perspective. HS360S, a GPS drone with camera, features Holy Stone's enhanced remote controller. Now you can connect your smartphone to the controller using just one data cable and enjoy real-time image streaming without the necessity of Wi-Fi. Set the social media stage on fire with stunning visuals from the Holy Stone HS360S GPS 4K drone with camera. Thanks to Holy Stone Advanced Intelligent Control System, the control range of HS360S drones with camera for adults 4K is up to 10,000 feet. The powerful modular battery supports 20 minutes of flight. Experience the freedom to explore like never before with Holy Stone drone for adults. Holy Stone HS360S, drones with camera for adults 4K, features precise GPS positioning, providing not only stable flight, but also a safe return home. This GPS drone can perform return home function to find its way back to you when battery runs low or the connection breaks up. Let this 4K drone roam free and bring it back with ease whenever you're ready. With the latest Holy Stone Intelligent Control System, HS360S drone with camera provides beginner mode and optical flow positioning to help you practice the drone control skill. Holy Stone GPS 4K drone is easy for the novice. Number 2. KINGULL G9 GPS Drone. UHD 4K camera ensures shooting 3840x 2160p high-resolution images and videos. Combined with 120-degree wide-angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens, it brings you an immersive flying experience like never before. The G9 drone equipped with smart functions and GPS auto return.it can perform automatically return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or low power. Never have to worry about flying it away. GPS and optical flow system, achieving precise hovering and stable flight. Headless mode, one key start. Speed adjustment let the drone beginners or kids control it easily. Come with 2 intelligent batteries to support 45 minutes long flight time and longer range. The brushless motor provides high speed, super durable and better stability to resist the wind. Worry less in the difficult fly conditions. This drone can trace and follow you automatically, flying along a path you set or fly around a point in circles. Let you enjoy the crystal clear and brilliant flight experience. The remote control display screen can show the drone's battery level, distance, speed, status, and enabled functions. It allows you to have clear control over the situation of the drone and fly better. This drone comes with a storage bag, and the foldable fuselage design allows it easy to store and more portable for outdoor traveling. Weight under 250 g to save you from FAA registration makes it ideal drone for adults, travel, aerial photography, outdoor activities. Number 3. CANKETEC S159 Drone. Please watch the guide video on the guide page in the app before flying and read the manuals patiently to understand the connection way and the basic functions of the app. Outdoor calibration required. Calibrate your drone according to the guide video before flying. User guidance or flight issue support. For any technical support or inquiries about drone accessories, please reach out to our dedicated KANKETEC support team for service and assistance. With 2-axis gimbal and EIS, this professional drone has a 100 degrees FOV lens and larger COMS sensor, plus 20x digital zoom, providing you with a 4K HD pictures and videos recording with our provided SD card for day and night scenes. The GPS drone will automatically return to the takeoff point when the battery is low, signal is weak, or the return button is pressed. Functions like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight allow users to easily control the drone's flight path and shooting direction. Additionally, features such as one-key takeoff/landing, headless mode, and speed switching make it easy for beginners to control, providing a more diverse flying experience. GPS mode, optical flow positioning, barometric altitude hold, headless mode, speed adjustment modes, one-key takeoff/landing/return/emergency stop, trajectory flight, gesture photo/video, voice control, and low battery warning make it extremely beginner-friendly and suitable for kids, and more features waiting for you to experience. This GPS drone upgrades LCD large display and comes with 2 enhanced batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of drone flight time, 2 by 30 minutes. When your GPS drone runs out of power, simply replace the battery to double the flight time. Adopts long-life brushless motor. The advantages are lower power consumption, quieter flight, more powerful and stable. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K Drone. Under $249. FAA registration and remote ID are not required if you fly for recreational purposes. Visit the FAA's official website for requirements related to drone registration and remote ID. 1. Capture stunning moments in any light sunrises, sunsets, and night scenes with crystal clear 4K resolution. Thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, you can achieve cinematic quality footage. DJI Mini 4K has a stable flight even in level 5 winds. Brushless motors enhance power and allow takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log in to the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. There are 3 sets available for you to choose from. 1 battery set, 31 minutes, 2 battery set, 62 minutes, or 3 battery set, 93 minutes. 3. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and let nothing hold you back. Number 5. Potensic Atom 3 Drone. The Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone is a compact and feature-rich drone designed for both beginners and enthusiasts seeking high-quality aerial photography and videography. Weighing under 249 g, it offers a lightweight yet robust design, making it travel-friendly and exempt from many drone regulations. Equipped with a 4K HD camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, the Atom ensures smooth and stable footage, even during dynamic movements. This setup allows for capturing crisp 12MP stills and 4K video at 30 frames per second, delivering professional quality content. The drone boasts an impressive 32-minute maximum flight time per battery, with a total of 96 minutes available in the Fly More combo. Its control range extends up to 6 kilometers, providing ample distance for expansive shots and exploration. The Atom comes equipped with visual tracking, enabling it to follow subjects autonomously. Additionally, it offers quick shots modes like Drone, Circle, and Helix, allowing users to capture cinematic shots with ease. These intelligent flight modes enhance the creative possibilities for users. Designed with beginners in mind, the Atom features intuitive controls and stable flight characteristics. Its GPS positioning system ensures accurate hovering and reliable return-to-home functionality, providing a safe and user-friendly flying experience. Number 6. Veeniix V11 Pro Drone. With the advanced camera and 1/2 CMOS, you can record breathtaking 8K images and 4K per 30 frames per second video directly onto your SD card, offering you an incredible shooting experience. The digital 5x zoom capability also provides greater detail of your view. The upgraded digital transmission system ensures a more stable flight view and a secure connection, providing you with peace of mind. Never lose sight of your drone during flight, as it extends your vision to an impressive 6 kilometers. The package includes 2 batteries, each capable of providing 40 minutes of flight time. Together, they offer a total of 80 minutes of airtime. The batteries support fast PD 3.0 charging, reducing your waiting time. Additionally, the batteries will automatically discharge after 48 days of non-use to ensure battery safety. The drone camera boasts a 3-axis gimbal and an EIS anti-shake system, ensuring crystal-clear footage every time you capture. Equipped with a Sony camera featuring a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, the drone elevates your shooting experience with Bigly, taking your skills to new heights. Our app enhances your flight experience with features like cruise control, waypoint flight, and point of interest. It's easy for beginners and professionals to take stunning videos, allowing you to explore your surroundings in greater detail and create immersive footage.